Hi guys, Xiaomi new update, flagship smartphone, flagship blur interface. How to work? Testing control center. Blur standard. Testing blur interface. How to activate flagship blur? I go settings and display and new feature advanced textures. Activate. Turn on and testing. Maximal blur, flagship version, how to feature, write the comment, and next flagship display function, color scheme and adaptive colors, adjust colors light, testing feature, flagship and flagship feature sunlight mode, maximal and click sunlight mode, turbo maximal brightness. Next feature rendering mode. Next feature display resolution Full HD Plus and WQHD Plus maximal and maximal save battery with WQHD. Switch resolution automatically to save power. Activate this function battery save and maximal quality. Application support these parameters. Next feature AI image engine. Super resolution and change videos. Activate this AI image enhancement. Activate this. Next AI HDR. Activate. And this feature add additional frame to video to make content appear smooth and transitions levelly. Activate this function. Subscribe my YouTube channel technosmart. See you and new videos.